6:02 is the time right now. Today, justice years in the making. In just a few hours, the former au pair at the center of the Brendan-Banfield murder case will be sentenced. WSA 9 has been inside that courtroom from day one, bringing you exclusive coverage throughout this high-profile trial.
And we'll be there again for today's sentencing. Our Marcella Robertson is live now outside the courthouse with a preview of what we can expect. Marcella.
Good morning. Well, we know there have been a lot of eyes on this case. So Brendan Banfield was just convicted of killing his wife and another man in a murder plot with his former au pair, Juliana Magalhaes. And Magalhaes, she is expected to appear in court here later this morning. She pleaded guilty to manslaughter in this case. She took the stand during Banfield's trial and testified against him. Her former employer and former lover, she does face up to 10 years in prison for her role in all of this. Now, you'll remember in that weeks-long trial that the former au pair, she took the stand. She was the prosecution's star witness, testifying that the entire murder plot was Banfield's idea so he could get his wife Christine out of the picture. The two were having an affair, and prosecutors say they lured a stranger, Joseph Ryan, to the home through an adult website pretending to be Christine. By framing Ryan as an intruder, it gave them a reason to commit the crimes. Both Christine Banfield and Joseph Ryan were killed at the Banfield's home on that February morning back in 2023. And while Magalhaes was part of the plan, she says that she was following Banfield's instructions. Our team spoke with the prosecutors about this case after the trial and asked them if a plea deal for her was justice. Take a listen.
Anytime that you have a case like this where there are multiple defendants, you're always trying to assign levels of culpability. And in our view, Brendan Banfield was the mastermind. He manipulated Juliana and brought her along. And let's remember, she is still facing up to 10 years in prison for her conviction.
And we expect today to be an emotional one in court. We're told Christine Banfield's sister is expected to give a victim impact statement. Christine's family also released a statement after the guilty verdict of Brendan Banfield, saying that Christine was an honest, faithful, caring, compassionate, helpful person who was dedicated to her family, friends, and patients. And again, that former au pair, she faces up to 10 years in prison. That sentencing hearing is scheduled to start at 11:30 this morning. Our coverage will start at 11 o'clock on WSA 9+. And I also want to mention that Brendan Banfield's sentencing is not scheduled until May, but with his conviction, that does qualify for him for an automatic life sentence without the possibility of parole.